Hello, it's day 2 here in Saigon, and today we didn't do very much, just hung out, went and got a massage, got room service, nothing too interesting, but tonight we're going on a motorbike city tour. And if you saw the footage in my last video, you will see how many bikes there are on the road. It's crazy, and we actually went out of the hotel today to try and look for a supermarket, and crossing the road is a very scary thing. Isn't it, Sam?
Yeah, just don't stop. Close your eyes. Walk.
Pretty much have to close your eyes and walk. So, hopefully I get some good footage for you guys tonight. Bye!
It's just a wave of bikes. Where are we going? On a bike ride?
We're doing that.
We're doing that, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're hopping on the back of these things.
I don't like it.
Smile, Craigie. Here we go, we're about to enter the madness that is Saigon bike riding at its finest. Hayden. Yes, sir. Smile. You're on video, bud?
Oh, on video?
Yeah. We're getting the action on camera. Say hello, Janice. And the madness continues. Pretty much like the Champs-Élysées right there. Chili squid, clams, snails. The rest of the people out there just quietly enjoying the food. Hayden's having a bit of a law. So these are our riders. That's Jenna right there.
We're here eating dinner, trying some new and different foods.
Very different foods.
Very different.
Left field, some would say.
Dad, what did you just eat?
I just ate sea snails, and I ate clams, and I ate duck egg with a little duck in it. That was just duckulating. And we had beer, Heineken beer.
What was your favourite thing, Joe?
Beer.
Oh, my favorite thing was the squid. It was very good.
And the squid.
The chili squid.
So, bring your glass plate. Any more? Yo! Drink please, okay?
So we just finished our bike tour, and how did everyone like it?
Loved it. Loved it. It was great fun. Very good. Brilliant.
I want to own one of these scooters and go for drives like this.
Yeah, that'd be so fun.
I was pretty scared at the start, but then at the end of it was good. If you see the video that I did before, you'll see that there's lots of bikes everywhere and you feel like that they're going to hit you, but you just got to hold on tight, right, Daddy?
Yes, there's the pictures of Jenna at the beginning are like this. And at the end they're like this. It looked like Jenna was crying.
I wasn't.
And then she wasn't.
She was most unhappy at the start, but she warmed
I
to it
had
at the end.
grumpy face on, so I didn't like it. But it was good fun.
You
Bye.
look like you'd hit a dog with your scooter, that's how upset you were.
Now it's cocktail time.
Not really stopping ever. Like you never stop for more than 20 seconds.